Okay, this is my Glacier National Park story. My husband and I were hiking on main big trails, and the rangers had said, you know, look out for the bears and make a lot of noise, and we paid attention to that. And then we're walking along and we saw, you know, what looked like there had been a bear in the area. We're paying no attention. We walk along. Then we see this bear in the strawberry patch, which was really close to us, and the bear was just eating strawberries. And we couldn't tell whether it was a black bear or a brown bear, not that it mattered to us. So we were afraid to go any further, and there was this building that was used for housing the equipment for ski slopes. We were there in the summer. So we used a ladder and climbed on top of this building, and we're waiting for the bear to go. The bear kept eating strawberries, kept eating strawberries. So the bear actually had us treed on top of this ski equipment house. So we thought, you know, we were there an hour. Is somebody gonna come and get us? So we saw some people coming along, and we were like waving, trying not to make noise in case the bear were to see us and come get us on this route. And the people just walked up, kind of took pictures of the bear, and then left while we're waving wildly for them to tell somebody. So we're still on this rooftop for another hour. Finally, some rangers came by and saw us and said, "Oh, bear, just go," and started throwing rocks at him. The bear skedaddled up the tree, and we were rescued and got to get off of the top of the cabin and got to our car. That's my story. Bye.